Hello and welcome. If you are preparing for competitive exams, you know that saving time is a game changer. And one of the most useful skills to have in your toolbox is the ability to quickly find the square of any number. Now, there are a few ways to do this. You could use the algebraic formula, like a plus b, 2, which we all learned in school. But today, we're going to focus on a different technique, one that's perfect for mental math and can save you a ton of time. It's called the base method. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Let us now know the basics. The points should be kept in mind. Core principle. This method simplifies finding squares of numbers by using a nearby base, like 10, 100, 1000. Two main cases. Case 1, numbers more than the base, 105. Part 1, add the difference to the original number. Part 2, square the difference. Case 2, numbers less than the base, 97. Part 1, subtract the difference from the original number. Part 2, square the difference. Crucial rules or adjustments. The number of digits rule. The number of digits in the second part of the answer must be equal to the number of zeros in the base. The carryover rule. If the second part has more digits than the number of zeros in the base, the extra digits are carried over and added to the first part. Let us do some problems that will help us understand better. Example 1, square of 105. Base of 105 is 100. 105 is more than 100 by 5. Step 1. 105 plus 5 equals 110. Step 2. Square of 5 equals 25. The answer is 11,025. Example 2. Square of 114. Step 1. 114 plus 14 equals 128. Step 2. 14 times 14 equals 196. Answer is 128196. Number of digits in second part must be equal to the number of zeros in its base. In this case, carry-over principle should be applied. It becomes 12996. The answer is 12,996.